When your life began, you were perfect. All was new in the world. And deep inside your cells, brand new DNA, the blueprint of life. Your DNA is the foundation of your cellular health, from birth through the rest of your life. Your health and ability to enjoy life is dependent upon what is happening at your cellular level. As you grow older, so does your DNA. But your cellular health is not just affected by aging. Over time, your exposure to pollution, sunlight, stress, and poor nutrition damages your DNA. As your DNA is damaged, your body breaks down faster and faster. This daily assault on your DNA puts your overall health at risk. But here's the good news. Your body is producing 300 billion new cells every day, and you can make them better with Univera Xtra. Xtra is an exclusive formula of 20 natural ingredients to provide powerful cell renewal and help protect your DNA. From our DNA genomic research laboratories and independent clinical studies, we know that Xtra begins to reduce the rate of DNA damage in as little as 14 days. Xtra pushes down on damage and up on energy and repair. Another independent study measured Xtra's ability to fight free radicals. Xtra's ORAC score towered above leading sources of antioxidants. Just one serving of Xtra's unique formula provides the antioxidant potential of up to 10 servings of fruits and vegetables. Univera's innovative science unlocks the secrets of nature and delivers them to you. And that's worth toasting. Xtra provides dramatic and cumulative improvements that you can see, feel, and measure. Vital Energy, Xtra's proprietary all-natural blend of 20 botanicals and nutrients, helps your body make real energy that you can use to catch life's best moments. Mental Clarity, Xtra's exclusive nutrient blend helps support mental clarity and focus, keeping you sharp. Stress Relief, Xtra's herbal ingredients work synergistically, helping you experience a calm alertness so you can handle stress and the constant demands of everyday life in a more positive way. Joint Comfort, Xtra's patented award-winning discovery Protectin has been shown to improve joint comfort and flexibility to help you act as young as you feel. Now you can take control of your cellular health. You can achieve more vitality at any age, bringing you the best of nature through innovative science. Xtra. With Univera's 90-day money-back guarantee, there's no reason to wait.